So here's our obviously very family fridge. We'll probably take some of these magnets off, but I wanted to show you this to you because it's a different kind of design. So along here there are actually two doors, you see. So if you open from the bottom, you get the shelves here, and if you open from the top, then you get the rest of the fridge in there. So yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Why it's not sticking?
Oh, that's because the fridge is not magnetic. Just made of metal. And then on this side over here is the freezer with the rice inside of the freezer.